Hi, I'm Jürgen de Wit from the Belgian Chocolate Group. This is my first time at this event, at the Stamegna event. It has been a very successful event. Had very good meetings, good leads, so very looking forward to come back for the next edition.
Hi, my name is Guna. I'm from company Wine Initiative from Spain, Madrid, and so far it has been one of the most well-organized experiences that we were having here in Budapest, and we have met a lot of interesting and innovative producers. I really hope they will succeed at their work, and we will most probably be working for several of these, I think. So thank you very much. Thank you to the organizers, and hope to see you soon.
I'm Alessia, I'm from Italy, and the company I was representing is Frantoio Bartolini. We produce pasta in oil and legumes and cereals, and it's the first time that I had an event with Stamegna company, and it was very perfect in terms of organization.
I haven't picked the accent in a short period of time. I'm from Sydney, Australia, so I'm from a long way away. Having said that, I travelled 2 days ago from 35 degrees, and all I can say, it is very, very, very cold. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it.
I'm representing the Glass Hungary distribution company, and it was a really good opportunity to meet a lot of principals and producers and other distributors, and I had very fruitful meetings today, and I'm sure that we will introduce a lot of new products in the Hungarian market. It's really a good occasion to meet all over Europe and also out of Europe some good distributors and producers. And the products was really a great event today for me to meet them and to make the meetings and ask for the prices and to evaluate the opportunities. So, thank you, Stamegna.
And I proudly participated in the Stamegna Budapest event today. I was very grateful for the opportunity. This is our third visitation at one of these events with Stamegna. And what I can seriously say is that this organisation is fully supportive of both its buyer and seller for reasons that it truly believes that it can achieve outcomes for both parties. Today I met with some 24 buyers in the European marketplace. I was excited by the opportunity for a number of reasons. The buyers were interested in their participation and certainly showed me some genuine interest in our products. We are dealing with some pretty key players at these events. These events give you an opportunity to meet with CEOs, category buyers, procurement managers, and that's of vital importance in any attempt to try and penetrate a marketplace as a seller. So I'm very grateful for the experience. Thank you very much.